In this video, you'll learn how to apply a template in Docusign. By the end, you'll be able to quickly send out documents using a pre-made template without having to rebuild the same forms or fields every single time. This is especially helpful if you regularly send the same type of agreement, contract, or form and want to keep things consistent and fast. Let's start from the main Docusign dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll usually land on your home or main page. From here, look toward the top or upper area of the screen for the option labeled Start. This is your starting point. Anytime you want to create a new envelope or send something out for signature, click on Start and a small menu or list of options will open. From that menu, choose Use a Template. This tells Docusign that instead of building a document from scratch, you want to work with something that's already been set up. Using a template is great if the layout, fields, and general content stay mostly the same, but you still need to adjust recipients or minor details each time. After you choose Use a Template, you'll be taken to a screen where you can see your available templates. This might include templates you created yourself, templates shared with you by your team, or ones provided by your organization. Take a moment to scan through the list and find the template that best matches what you want to send. You can usually click on a template name to preview it, which is a good idea if you're not completely sure it's the one you need. Once you've identified the correct template, select it. Depending on your view, this might mean checking a box next to the template name or clicking directly on it, then confirming that you want to use that template. At this point, Docusign loads all of the built-in settings for that template, such as predefined roles, signing order, and any standard message or subject line that was saved with it. Next, you'll add the recipient details. Templates often use roles like client, manager, or signer1 instead of specific names. For each role or recipient placeholder, you'll need to fill in the actual person's name and email address. Carefully type each recipient's information and double-check the spelling of email addresses. A small typo can prevent someone from receiving the document, so it's worth taking an extra moment here. If your template includes multiple recipients, make sure the signing order is set the way you want it. Some workflows require one person to sign before the next receives the document, while others can sign in any order. Review the roles and order on this screen and make adjustments if needed, following whatever rules your process requires. You may also see options to customize the email subject and message that go out with the document. While these might be pre-filled from the template, it's often helpful to update them with a bit of context, such as what the document is about or any deadlines for signing. Once you're satisfied with the recipients and any optional message, you're ready for the final step. Click Send. Docusign will now deliver the document to your recipients based on the template settings and signing order. You can return to your dashboard to track the status, see who has signed, and send reminders if necessary. That's all it takes. You've just applied a template in Docusign. You started with Use a Template, selected the right template, added your recipient details, and sent it out for signature.